Hi, I would like to help you today in finding the domain of a function. What is the domain of the function f of x? 4 over square root of x plus 5 over the set of real numbers. The domain is the same as the input. You need to find an appropriate input that you can submit it here or substitute it for x. So the output or the outcome of this function will be a real number. It cannot be an error or non-real numbers. You must know two things, or there are like just only two situations or two scenarios. The first thing is you cannot have a number over 0. This is not really good. This is bad. Alright, you cannot have any situation like this. The other one is you cannot have anything square root of negative number. Yes, it's going to be an imaginary numbers. That's something you're going to learn later on, but for now you're not going to have any real number. You're not going to have an answer, a real solution. So square root of a negative number, even if you try it in the calculator, you get non-real number. Well, I don't want to use fancy words here, so let's just use the word bad. So you need to ignore, or you don't want to have a number over 0, and you don't want to have square root of a negative number. Anything else would work. So what are all numbers that you can substitute for x in this function such that so that you don't get a negative number under the square root and you don't get 4 over 0. First choice, x, this means such that x greater than negative 5. Let's try that. If x is greater than negative 5, so x could be any number greater than negative 5. It cannot be negative 6. We're saying greater, so that's negative 4. Let's try that. Square root 4 over square root of negative 4 plus 5. Negative 4 plus 5 is going to be a positive 1, so 4 over square root of 1. Whatever it is, you're going to get a number here. I don't care about what number, if it's a fraction, if it's rational, irrational, integer, negatives, positives, it doesn't matter, as long as you don't have any one of these two situations here. If you try another number, 4 over, let's call 0 is greater than negative 5, so square root of 0 plus 5, square root of 0 plus 5 is 4 over square root of 5. That's going to be right. Okay, you're going to get a number. Try anything greater than this. X equals to 5. 5 plus 5 is 25, is 10, square root of 10, so that's going to be fine. Seems the choice A is fine. Let's try choice B. X such that x is less than negative 5. Any number less than 5, like what? Square root of negative 6, let's say. So that's going to be 4 over square root of negative 6 plus 5. Negative 6 plus 5, that's going to be square root of negative 1. 4 over square root of negative 1, it can't work. Why? Because square root of negative 1 is going to be non-real number. Choice B is not right. If it does not work in one number, so that's it. It does not satisfy this condition here. Choice C, x such that x greater than or equals to negative 5. This one is A and C are very similar. But the only thing is in choice C, negative 5 is included. Let's try the negative 5 here. Negative 5. So if you have 4 over square root of negative 5 plus 5, that's going to be 4 over square root of negative 5 over 5 is the square root of 0. Be careful here. That's 4 over square root of 0 is 0. A number over 0, and that's another situation here. It can't work. That's not good. That's not right. And of course, x equals to negative 5. This also does not work. We just tried it here. X equals to negative 5. Choice D cannot work. So the only choice is correct in this situation is choice A. Work well.